Been waiting 10 days for a whole 7 boxes of 7.62. Yay! I'm so over these times. And then I picked up at Shoot Straight a couple hundred rounds of CCI Magnum hollow points. Not that the hollow point really means anything, but just for my little Derringer, or not Derringer, North American Arms. And then I got what else I get this week? I got two boxes of 9 with that Syntec shit, whatever the hell, I don't care, just range ammo. Fucking $30 a fucking box. And 3 boxes of 45 at $40 a box. So just 3 just 3 boxes of 45 and 2 boxes of 9 was $180 fucking dollars. These they've only doubled in price, which isn't too bad. Well, a little more than doubled in price. Basically 50 cents a round from 20 cents a round, like $10 a box. It's still bearable considering some of the other shit. Hold on. And the worst part is, even though it's only 7 boxes, it's still, their shipping's good. It's like $16 fucking dollars for just normal shipping. So, I mean, fuck, $70, okay, not so bad. But then you're up to $86 fucking dollars, you know, for 140 rounds. That used to be like, you know, $4 a box. So it's depressing, to say the least. Oh, and there's the other. So everything. How much would all this be? This was 40. Well, I might as well just include the tax because that was at Shoot Straight gun range. So the 22 Magnum, 200 rounds was $48 with tax. Let's just round this off to fucking 200 because it was damn close to it. It's 250 and 340 roughly. That does not look like $340 worth of ammo. Oh man, I have to laugh or I'll cry. I'm just so fucking over this shit. And I don't see shit coming back to normal for a while, guys. It's bleak. And to try and conserve ammo, probably more mentally than anything, I bought like 10 of these 20 rounders. I like the 20 rounders, they're pretty cool, especially for my M16A1. Plus you can put a whole bunch of them in a small package. You know, I'll do a 20 round mag dumps instead. My little angel, she's sleeping. She's sleeping, little angel. Oh, no, she's not. But yeah, that's just figured I'd show you what I got in for the week. My depressing, expensive load of not much. You guys have a good week. Take care.